Hey guys, I'm going to try and make this super short and sweet because it's freezing out. Happy Thanksgiving to all our American friends yesterday. It's literally minus 25 degrees Celsius, which I think is about minus 10 Fahrenheit, but I wanted to send this quick video, and I hate sending out a bunch of emails, guys, but I did want to let you know about our Black Friday savings. We're not a company that likes to send out a bunch of stuff and mark our stuff up 200% and give you a 70% discount that ends every Friday. Legit, in November we get better deals from our distributors and our manufacturers, and that's why we pass those deals on to you guys. So if you're even on the fence about landscape lighting, if you don't believe me, it's cold out, you can hear the snow blowers and stuff behind me, so hopefully you can still hear this. But if you're on the fence about landscape lighting, go and check out the website today. I mean, on some of the premium kits you're saving 3, 4, 500 bucks. It's a lot of money. You could easily hire somebody to come and do all the shovel work and stuff for that amount of money. So even if you don't get to it in the spring, I want you guys to take advantage of these savings because we offer a premium product. It's not something that's marked up super high, so I don't have the ability to put these things on sale all the time. And I don't want this to sound like a sales pitch, because any of you guys who have watched us know that this is like the only month that we legitimately do this. So I want you guys to take advantage of it. So go check out the website. If you've got questions and maybe you're pushing it off till the weekend to buy, just send me an email back so I can give you either a special coupon code or build a custom kit for you with those additional savings built in. But I want you guys to take advantage of this because it is some serious savings when you're talking 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes $600 on some of the premium kits. So thanks to everybody who's been leaving your comments and everything on Facebook and YouTube. I really do appreciate it. That's how we can go and keep putting out more of these videos. And I'm gonna end this now because I'm freezing. And happy Thanksgiving again to all our American friends, and I hope to hear from you guys here real soon.